Yes, sir. We had called the all state stakeholders, but there's nothing wrong in calling it again. We called that through the TOTIF, and we would still go ahead and call another one. The peace process that the TOTIF initiated is in progress, but with this later and this mandate again, we still go ahead and call all the very major stakeholders again. Yes, sir. We will. All right, so thank you so very much for your time and above all for all the support you give us. We appreciate on behalf of the people of the state, sir. Thank you, Your Excellency.